Since I was a little kid, I have been obsessed with cars. And while most kids growing up had posters of Lamborghinis, Ferraris, or McLarens on their wall, I had two cars, the Toyota Supra and an R34 GTR. And ever since then, I have been obsessed. The MK4 Supra came out in June of '93, and ever since then, it has only built its legacy as one of the best, if not the best tuner car of all time over the last 30, almost 31 years. If you know the Supra, odds are you've seen the videos of them gapping supercars on the highway, two-stepping at car meets, and you've seen the videos of the big, sweet choo-choo boys sitting in the engine bay going choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Over the past few years, I've had some pretty cool cars to me. I had a supercharged M3, a C63 Black Series, I have a twin turbo R8 right now, but two cars have always eluded me, the Supra and an R34 GTR. The R34 GTRs just became legal, so we'll save that for another time. I've been looking for a Supra for the past 3 to 4 years, but there's a problem. Finding a car that is clean, not beat to shit, doesn't have some crazy story or make 1,400 wheel horsepower and is actually usable on the street has proven pretty much near impossible for me. I want one that isn't crazy expensive and that I can make my own. It's finding a clean one that isn't crazy expensive. I mean, you're talking $120,000 to $200,000 for a clean factory TT 6-speed Supra. It is insane. But now, I'm determined to find one. So I found the perfect Supra, but another person managed to place a deposit on it before I could while the PPI was getting done. However, the PPI came back, was not great, but the guy said he would call me and let me know if the other buyer backed out. He said the first buyer stopped responding to me, so if you're still interested, I'd be happy to start working on an agreement with you. Do you have all the pics and stuff you need? Let's fucking go, dude. This is the perfect car. Let's fucking go. Hey, man.
Hey, is this Greg?
Yeah, I would, if it's good with you, I would like to come out and see the car.
If you're gonna make arrangements for that, for sure, I can make myself available in the car for you.
Sweet, awesome. Yes, dude, fucking finally. Let's go, dude. I thought that car was gone. I thought when he said the other guy to place deposit, I was like, that's it. All that stuff, like I was gonna do anyway, so it's like, I don't really care. Like, we're going to Richmond, Virginia. Never even been to Virginia. I heard it's for lovers.
I just got a text from the guy with the Supra. Hey man, the other guy's gonna buy the car after all. I was probably too hasty in reaching out to you. I apologize for the inconvenience. Unfucking real, dude. You legitimately can't make this up. Like, you can't. Like, I feel like people dramatize things, but like, you see what I'm saying with these cars? Like, it's like, I'm like,
Hello?
Hey Greg, how's it going?
Good, man. How's it going with you?
Good. The guy that owned it first, he was a mechanic. Then he sold it to my buddy. He had it for about 10 years. COVID time, I think he was just like, he wanted to dump some money into his business. So we had joked around about it, him selling it to me like years ago. And then he ended up calling me up. He goes, hey, I think today's the day if you want to pick it up.
I want to get you an offer and just see what you thought. So I was thinking like right around like 62 for the car.
Yeah, let me chew on that for a little. I mean, I think we're pretty close. It's not too far off. I mean, I think like 65, I mean, that would be like, I wouldn't even, I'd be pretty good with that.
You want to make us both happy and just do 64?
Yeah,
okay.
Do that.
All right, cool, sweet.
Yeah.
All right, I'm good with that.
As far as like PPI, I didn't have a chance to call today. There's 2 shops out here that do Supra stuff.
All right, man, it was good talking with you.
Right. Yeah, same here. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, bye-bye.
Right, bye.
Oh,
bro, that's fucking crazy.
There it is, dude. I can't fucking wait. Like, I feel like as long as even if the PPI doesn't go well, as long as it's not like something catastrophically wrong with the car, it shouldn't be. But I feel like the long road has been ended. Ship that bitch home and get to building. I've been legitimately waiting 4 years for this. So the car, it got picked up on a trailer Saturday. It's now Tuesday.
like I said, I've been waiting 4 years for this. You saw all the failed attempts at this. There was like 20 more that didn't make it in the video, and I could grab another 20 from the last few years. Now it's finally happening. I'm gonna hold the excitement in. I'm ready, dude. We're finally here. Luckily, I got Maddie here to help me get the car off the trailer, right? And then you're gonna look at it. There it is, dude.
So gay. That is a rig, man.
On the way here, we watched some girl that was live streaming, drinking Bud Light
And driving
all at the same time. And the back of her car was literally crunched into pieces. And we were like, that makes sense.
You just look like a kid, just like standing, just like.
That's what I feel like. Maddie, you got your gloves
Maddie, get the gloves.
on. 4
Do you want
eyes.
me to stop traffic?
yeah, I do.
Shit.
I brought a second pair of underwear in case I came.
Dude, what is that?
Yup. That's
alive.
stock too. A stock boy. So I can't wait to stack all 4 of us in it for the first drive. Just imagine Jim getting a bag. for reference.
Hey,
Hey, it was made for Asians, right?
I'm
It's
6'2".
gotta work. The car was made by
I'm
Asians
5'9".
for Asians.
Yeah.
It's gotta work.
The seat doesn't want to move.
Good thing you're taking them out.
Oh yeah, bro. It looks so good in the rear mirror when you're sitting in there. Yeah. I need more bullets. All right, bro. Chill. Oh my God, bro. Let's get on this road. And it's just all angled at you like it's like, well, I mean, I know I'm in a very uncomfortable seating position right now, but like this is exactly like what I thought it was gonna be. Let me do this real quick. Dude. Oh man. This thing when fuck. There's nowhere to put your phone. Oh man.
I can't believe they weren't thinking about cell phones when they made this.
You weren't thinking about iPhones in 1995? It's stock and it's awesome. I mean, practically stock. And I'm glued to you can see where my knees are because the seat doesn't want to work now, but that's all right. That's a really good plug into what's going to happen next. So if you enjoyed this one so far, wait till you see what we do with the car mods wise. I got seats on the way. We got a full build coming. This is going to be gone. We don't want this. Oh, there's a manual mode.
oh, you don't even have to change the transmission anymore.
Oh, perfect. I saved 12 grand. But we got a full build coming. It's going to be, but yeah, the build's going to be sick. Big single turbo, manual swap, seats, wheels, everything. Let me just go ahead and, I should probably just leave them. You want to put up? Can you see me?